All right, Dan, what are we doing here today?
I just got a phone call from a wholesaler. Got a house. I'm trying to offload it. $70,000. We just so happen to be in the neighborhood. We got to take a detour. We got to check this place out. It's in a great little neighborhood.
The neighbors have gorgeous houses.
The neighbors have great houses. This is a total little college neighborhood, and we got a cute little ranch here with a garage and a lot. I guess the lot comes with it. He sent me a photo link, but I was driving. I couldn't even look. This is happening in real time right now. This is like we're getting the info as it comes.
And we got this whole huge lot comes with it.
Yes, it does. Yeah. So you're buying both lots.
Can we just demo it and build something?
Probably. I mean, look, you got a curb cut. There was something there before. So at some point there was a driveway, but yeah, you'd have to combine the parcels. But yeah, presumably you could, and maybe you want to demo it. Who knows how bad this place is?
We're gonna find out. Let's see what we got.
Who knows how bad this is? First impressions here, yeah, it's like it's super small, a little like kind of beachy cottage. What's that roof is a little,
That's an easy roof though.
It's a very small, easy roof, right? Are you spending $10,000 on that even if you have to do one?
I don't even think you'd have to spend that.
Right. So it looks like that. This may be the neighbors here.
Okay.
So you don't really have any yard in the house.
But you got your whole side lot, so it's not really an issue.
But you got the big side lot, yeah. And you've got this little back deck patio set up here.
That's cute.
Side yard. So it's not bad. It's a cool little setup.
Gonna need an electrical service. No biggie.
Yeah.
Comes in right there. It's looking a little...
Yeah. But this is kind of cool.
It is kind of cool.
So I think this is where we're going in. Garage here.
We got top security around here.
Yeah.
Got them blown out. Someone.
Oh yeah. Okay. Hello. Hello.
We're coming in.
Oh man, they got some rats in here. Look at that. So it stinks.
70 grand, Dan, doesn't seem like such a bad deal.
I mean,
maybe we can shake them down. So why does nobody want to buy this thing?
I don't know.
The freaking floor's caving here.
Yeah.
Watch your step in there, Jerry. It's
a little slanted.
Pretty weak. Little bedroom here.
I don't know. Maybe he just, I don't know. Does he not have buyers for?
Got a cool little fireplace in the living room.
Yeah, it's cool. It's a cool like little cottage. Location alone, off-street parking, and the lot connected to it.
I don't know. Let's demo this thing and build something. We're in a building mood.
I'm telling you, it might be your better options, in all honesty.
What is this? This is one of the bedrooms?
Yeah, dude, it's gross back here. Be
Holy
careful.
mackerel.
I'm waiting for a rat to jump out at me. That is cool. Oh, those skylights. Yeah, it's got like a little beachy feel to it.
You're right.
You know?
Sure. This is a good, yeah.
Something they were like trying to turn it into a little cottage. There's so many rat turds in there.
I know. I'm trying not to drag that to my car.
Right. It's nasty.
And it's actually like a 1.5 bedroom because that little
kind of
house needs to be demoed. What do you think? I wonder what they got it under contract for.
Yeah, the other bedroom is kind of smaller. I see what you're saying.
It's closet size. I don't think you could build a house here because the build cost, you never be able to recoup it on the back end. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, because
I don't know. Unless you put a little 1,600 square foot patio style home. But it's still going to cost you...
It's still going to cost you almost $300,000 to build it. I think you're right. I don't think it would make sense.
Dude, there's not enough... Yeah, you can't build...
I'll bet you they're selling for around like $200 a square foot over here, so there wouldn't be enough margin on it to build.
Right.
Because it's a decent neighborhood, but it's not strong enough. That laundry room there, holy shit, it's nasty. Dude, there's so much rat turd in here. This place is infested.
Well, because they go crawling underneath the house and then run up through these...
Right. So let's see, our 2 bedrooms here. I got an 800, a 2-1. Here's your comp right here.
What you got?
173.
So
Cheaper than a rental. It's the same, similar house. I don't have any photos. 83 Page Ave, 2-bed, 1-bath, 830 square feet, sold for 173.
so it's between 150 and 170.
Yeah, and then you got another one, 2-1, but that's 1,200 square feet, so that's no good.
Well, you can't pay 70.
There's one right here, 2-bed, 1. That's 1,000. Yeah. That's
With a rental this size, you might have to spend 80 grand in here to fix all this.
for sure.
You're basically rebuilding the whole freaking thing.
For sure.
The floors, yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
All right,
I don't think you could just buy and list this one either. I don't think this is like.
I don't think so.
Yuck.
Wow.
I don't know. Now we know why you can't move it.
Now we know. Because it needs everything.
Yeah.
I mean, we did some back of the napkin math inside the.
Real-time analysis here. The comps are like 170, 150, 170. It doesn't hit 200. So the house is worth, I mean, call it 180 on like a good day. That's probably your best case scenario. Is it selling for 180? You got to put easily $80,000 into this roof, electrical service.
That brings you to 160, give or
160.
take.
So yeah, there's no. You really got to buy this place at like 50,000, which is probably where he's got it under contract, and he needs to make something.
And this is a big project to make a small margin.
It is. Amherst, you're pulling permits in Amherst. I mean,
We know we're not buying this at their
think so.
number.
I don't think so.
I think you got to find out what their bottom dollar is.
Right.
Like what is their last option? Like what is your sell price?
right?
Once we figure out, and it might be 70, like you said, but it's worth asking. Hey,
Yeah.
is there any room? They're probably getting desperate.
Yep.
Then we market this to some of our guys and try to push it. Once we have their number, we'll try to just.
See if we can push it down the line, yeah. Because you'd think location alone would be attractive.
Have you been texting or calling him?
Both.
Let's see if he answers. We'll do a live acquisition call.
Let's do it. Yeah, I don't even see this posted on. Oh, that's right, because he doesn't put the address on these. Let's see it.
Let's see if we squeeze him.
We're calling the source.
Hey, buddy, sorry I just missed you.
No problem. I just ran through that house over here on University.
Yeah.
It's kind of grungy inside a little bit.
It's a peach.
It's what they are. It's what it is. Location's great, though.
It's a great spot, and you get the lot next door, too.
Yeah. No, that's for sure. Off-street parking. I mean, it's got some stuff going. From the outside, it was deceiving. I was like, man, this seems like a no-brainer.
It's not bad from the outside at all.
Yeah, inside's it's a project, man. I mean, where did you put the ARV on this?
Right around 2.
You think so? Okay, yeah, I
Yeah.
figured it was shy. I haven't run numbers on it yet.
Yeah, probably right around 2, especially if you include that lot in.
Yeah, I was thinking probably closer to 180 and probably 80 inside. So like, that puts us at 160 plus close costs. It's tight at 70. Do you have to be at 70 if we were interested?
I mean, we could go back and try to get a reduction.
I got you. So it's a seller thing.
Shoot me your best, and I'll go from there. I'm waiting on one other person to walk through today as well.
You are okay.
Yeah, so we're trying not to have to get a reduction.
Yeah, no, for sure.
It is what it is, but
Yeah.
shoot me your best number, and I gotta get a reduction. I'll put you guys first.
Yeah, because my thought after walking it was like you probably make something work at 50 or 60, but
Yeah.
I mean that was I confirm that up. I mean let me I'll look into it. Last I hadn't.
Let me know, and I'll keep you in the loop.
All right, man, cool. I'm gonna talk to you a little bit later this afternoon and see what we can do.
All right, sounds good, man.
All right, we'll talk to you. Bye.
Sounds good.
So it sounds like they don't have a lot of room. He had it marketed at 72, so that's legit there. My guess is they've probably got this for
60?
probably 60. Probably 60, and they just need to cover marketing.
All right, so it might be a nothing burger, but the only way we're going to be able to is if we got to bring in another buyer. I don't know if we'd be able to mark it up from 70 though. That's my concern.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Still think the numbers. I think 2 is aggressive. I think that we're underwriting this at 200. I think is aggressive. I think this is 180. And you're right. I think you got a big project to do here. I can't even see the roof, but it's, yeah, you got a roof to do. You got a lot of work.
This is what we do, guys. We take phone calls, talk to people all day long, go out and look at houses. Not everyone can be a home run. We got to sift through to find the gold. And you just witnessed some sifting.
We found fool's gold.